All right, guys, just got to Hanoi and I'm feeling hungry. So I'm gonna check out a place that I just heard about called Bow Wow Steamed Buns. So let's go check it out and see what they have to offer. So right now I'm walking to my pickup point by the Grab and I have no idea where it's at. So let's see if we can find where my Grab is gonna pick me up. Chris left, yep. All right, guys, so I just got off the Grab and I made it to Bow Wow. So we're gonna go inside and see what they have to offer. All right, so I just sat down, guys, and it's a beautiful little courtyard, very gardeny, with bamboo and flowers all around. They have a nice little bar and a kitchen in the back. I just ordered a chicken bao as well as a tuna bao and a tea. So that should be coming soon, and I'll let you know more once it arrives. All right, guys, so I just got the Bow Wow and it's delicious. I ordered a chicken as well as a tuna and it's going good so far. Very tasty. I'm glad I had this recommendation from my friend Alonzo. And the Cajun fries are also very good. And I ordered this hibiscus tea, which is very refreshing. The chicken was very nice. It was moist. It had a nice chipotle tasting sauce with it. But now I'm going for the tuna, the black bun and tuna inside. So let's see what this is all about. Wow. Beautiful. Looks like they have some radish, pesto, some dried pork, and some microgreens on top, and the black bun, which is really soft. It's really nice. If you're in Hanoi, come to Bow Wow. You won't regret it. All right, guys, so I just left Bow Wow. That was an amazing lunch. And I just asked the kind young server to tell me how to get to Westlake, the big tourist area. So I'm headed there now, and let's see what Westlake has to offer. All right, guys, I couldn't tell you where I'm at right now. I'm just walking down small little alleyways or small little streets trying to find Westlake at the moment. But it's very beautiful here. There's a lot of graffiti on the walls, as you can see. And I think I see Westlake up ahead. So we're getting there. Here's a small little offshoot lake off of Westlake, or a little pond actually. Really nice and picturesque. Right now, oddly enough, I'm seeing more foreigners here than I'm seeing Vietnamese. There's a ton of what seems to be backpackers walking around and driving motorbikes. So it looks like Hanoi is back on the up and up and on the rise of tourism. And guys, I finally made it to Westlake. Here it is. But I'm gonna walk around a little bit more and try to find some more touristic places, coffee shops and things like that. So let's go take a look. It seems to be that the entirety of Westlake is surrounded by this tealish green fence with this pagoda looking sign in the center. But I think that I'm on the opposite side of Westlake where everything is touristic. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to make my way around to that side or just continue walking and take you guys with me. Let's see. So bad news. It's getting hot out here and I continued following the lake all the way around and I came to a dead end. So now I have to turn around and go back where I came from, and it's a long way around this lake. Don't make the same mistake that I made. Know where you're at, know where you're going. Lost in Hanoi, The Chronicles, Part 2. Also, I might add that I attempted to book Grab, as I'm sure most of you are thinking. Why didn't I just book a Grab? But the Google Maps was showing me directly in the center of the lake, and I don't think that they have Grab boats here in Hanoi. So yeah, Google Maps doesn't work where I'm currently located, I assume. So here I am. La-di-di-di-da. Lost in Hanoi, lost in Hanoi. I finally made it to some establishment that looks legitimate, a bilingual school. And so I stopped here and I was able to book a Grab, so I'm waiting on him now. And here he is. And here's the other side of beautiful West Lake. All right, so this is the main part of West Lake, guys. It's a really beautiful place. I've been here on a few occasions. I just didn't know how to walk here from where I was at the other side of West Lake. So I took a grab and now I'm here in the heart of it all. One of the things I love about West Lake is they have these benches out here with people just chilling out, relaxing, taking in the surroundings, taking in the scenery. It looks really idyllic and really romantic. All right, guys, my battery is getting low, so I apologize for not being able to show you more of Hanoi, but it was nice to finally get to the right part of West Lake, but it's quite muggy out and quite humid, so I'm sweating my butt off, and the battery is at 10%, so I think I'm gonna call it off here. But thank you for joining me on this journey from arriving in Hanoi, going to have lunch at Bow Wow, and finally getting lost, calling a grab and making it to the right part of West Lake. I appreciate it and stay tuned for the next video.